Hi to all super mommies. I'm Afreen and thanks for tuning in my channel. So if you are a new mommy and if you are a mom to be, so some question will surely knock you that will I lost my post pregnancy weight, will I again fall in love with my body, and so on. So I tell you that yes, you will again fall in love with your body, you will lose your weight, and you will do everything, okay? Because you are a mother, and now you are stronger before, stronger than before. Believe me, guys. So, okay. So we have been seeing lots of example like Kareena Kapoor Khan and lots of example, but still we scared. We thought that okay, she is stressed and she has someone else who can take care of her child after her. But what in my case? And question mark, I know, because it's also happened with me. I know I was also scared, but no problem, ladies, you will do it. I tell you, you will do it because I did it, okay? So don't worry, definitely will do it. The only thing is you have to be you have to be a passionate about it, okay? You have a willpower, you have to be confident about it. And my advice is don't stick with any routine, and don't stick with like a particular diet chart, a particular timetable type of exercise. Don't do that, okay? Just do exercise once you got time, okay? Whenever you got time, just do exercise. Don't see the time, don't make a timetable for exercise, okay? And what I say next is yes, walking is very important, not only for losing your weight, but it helps to blood circulation, and it's very helpful. And the last thing is skipping. So skipping is it's amazing thing for mommies who have not enough time in her schedule. So skipping is it's a very amazing thing I did with skipping. So it takes less time and it gives a lot effective thing, so go with skipping. And yes, you will definitely do it, and I did it. Even my son was even he is a complete mama boy. So but still I try to make time for myself, and I'll go with skipping. And I did actually actually while I was pregnant, I got around 62 kg weight, and now I am 50. So yes, you also can do it. And if you want to know more than that, and if you want to know how to exercise, which exercise when, and many more questions, if you want to know more in depth, then leave me comment what do you want to know. So I will definitely make another video to tell more than that. So yes, if you like this video helps you, then please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Right now I'm signing off, and I'll see you with my next video. So bye bye, have fun.